Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill, Class 5, English version, Math. The topic is problems involving 4 rules. Exercise 3. Question number 10. The sum of ages of a mother and her son is 60 years. Mother's age is 3 times the age of the son. What are their ages? So if mother's age equals to A and son's age equals to B, then just we are suppose mother's age equals to A, son's age equals to B. Now according to question, the sum of ages 60 years means A plus B equals to 60 years. Again they said mother's age is 3 times the age of the son, means A equals to 3B, 3 into B or 3B. So now can we write, therefore if we write A's value as 3B, therefore we can write 3B plus B equals to 60 years. Therefore 4B equals to 60 years. Therefore B equals to 60 divided by 4 equals to 15 years. And we know A means 3B. Therefore A equals to 3 into 15 equals to 45 years. Can we say mother's age 45 years and son's age 15 years? Yes. This is answer. Mother's age 45 years. Son's age 15 years. I think I could make you understand. It was pretty simple. Mother's age was A, son's age was B. So age, sum of age means A plus B is 60 years. Again they said mother's age is 3 times the age of the son, means A is 3B. So if we just put this value A equals to 3B here in place of A, then we get 3B. For A we get 3B and there was a B, so together it is 3B plus B means 4B. 4B equals to 60 years. So B equals to 15 years. And we know A is 3 times B. So we get A's value 45 years. And A is nothing but mother's age and B is son's age 15 years. Thank you.